Wow. So they're knocking down this factory. This factory, this used to be a jewelry factory, and it's been empty for about 100 years. This jewelry factory's been empty for about 100 years, and it's just sat here, and it was very bad. It was falling into the ground. There's dead animals in here. There's asbestos, and there were asbestos in there, and there were all types of things like windows were boarded up, windows were smashed. There was asbestos, a lot of chemicals in there that were not good, and they should have knocked this building down years ago. But they're finally knocking it down, and it was a fire hazard. I'm surprised this place has never gone up in flames. Yeah, I'm surprised this place never has gone up in flames. And they're filming it too. They're filming it too. But yeah, they're taking it down. They're taking it down one part at a time. I doubt they're going to build anything on here. This is probably just going to sit in the woods, because this thing's probably just going to sit out here. They're going to clean out all the wood, and it's going to grow into woods, because they're not able to build anything on here because all of those chemicals and asbestos.